Hi, I'm Ripunjai Gaur. I'm the student of this college of the batch 2004-2006, currently working as Vice President in Paytm. So it has been a blessing opportunity for me that I am able to interact to you. I especially want to thank Mr. Gagan Katiyar, who have given me this opportunity where I can actually share my experience and I can talk directly through you through this digital medium. Thank you, sir. So it has been more than 16 years that I have done my post-graduation or PGTBM from this college. I was in the batch of 2004-2006, actually the first batch which was there in the full-fledged campus of BIMTECH. So we were a historic batch. So, but these 15-16 years have been a long journey with ups and downs. There has been years, quarters where everything was going well, but there has been years, quarters where everything was not doing so well. But the way the BIMTECH, especially those 2 years, have actually transformed my life, and the things which I have learned over those 2 years, which are of great importance and value to me currently also. So I would like to share that experience with you, that how these 2 years helped you as a corporate guy, or help you as a entrepreneur in your life. And when we study in the college, we sometimes feel that those 2 years is more of our bookish knowledge or the courses which we do, but the courses at BIMTECH are so well designed that it will actually help you for your entire corporate or entrepreneur journey which you have to do in your life. So in these 15 years, the most important skill which as an individual you want is the skill of having where people can trust you, where people can actually give you a job and can trust you that you will be able to complete that job. And this is the most important skill which you actually learn in college. And in BIMTECH, me or my friends were those who actually learned these skills, that we were giving assignments, we were given lot of opportunities through cultural events, to seminars, organizing standing committees on their own, where the task was given, and then there was a sense of responsibility which comes automatically to us, that okay, this is the task which is given to me and I have to finish this task. So the way the curriculum of BIMTECH was designed at that point of time was really so intense that it developed this sense of responsibility, and with the sense of responsibility we had that feeling that okay, the management or the administration or the teachers have given us the task and we have to complete that task. So the habit of the winning people trust and having full responsibility of the job was actually which was inculcated in the first semester itself. I still remember that in the first semester, when along with my 2-3 friends, we were given the task of cultural committee, and it was entirely a new journey for us, because I was coming from, say, tier 2 town, Agra, where we had never interacted or performed such kind of programs at their own. It was more of a marks, percentage and everything else. But in the first semester itself, it was a total change for me. And I still feel that changed, or that semester where we were giving the task, has developed a lot of confidence and a sense of responsibility to me. So that is what you learn in an MBA college. People ask me, and even when I was also a fresher, I used to think that what is there in an MBA institute? Why one has to do an MBA? But when I came to BIMTECH and post work of experience of 15-16 years, that I felt that MBA is about learning capability. So when you start a journey, you have certain skills. As time progresses, you need to develop new skills, or sometimes the times also change. So you have to learn with the time skills which are with the changing times. No college, no individual today, the things are so fast moving in the world that if you cannot learn in 2 years, you will be outdated, whether you are doing your own business or you are running a team. So the habit of learning new skills in a new environment is the basic instinct of BIMTECH curriculum. So if you look into the curriculum of BIMTECH, which we were taught, every semester there were subjects which were like totally new skills to us. I remember we have organization behavior, we have marketing, we have analytical skills, and we have people from all backgrounds, commerce, HR, graduations from economics, graduation engineering backgrounds. But everyone was fighting and learning, and how the teachers or the instructors was teaching us, we were able to inculcate a habit where I can learn a new skill in 3 months and then give an exam to it. It actually helps, because whenever you, in a fighting corporate world, every quarter you will have a competition, every quarter you will have a new launch in the market, every quarter you have to do something which is different. And when you have to do something different, you should have a habit of learning things, analyzing things differently. You cannot have your work experience coming to as a bias to what you are seeing and what you are doing. It is every day you have to act as a fresher, and that is where, if that is the tri-semester system which actually helps us, that every semester we have new subjects, new instructors, new way of learning, and that in those 2 years you develop a habit that you do not panic by seeing new things. We in 16 years of work experience, the most common thing which was the leadership skill and to work in a team. So that is where we are in those 2 years, and I still think that those are the best part of my life, because in the hostel it is 100% residential complex. You work as a team player, you are dependent on others for small things. You do not have your family members to help you out, and those small things in terms of changes a behavior of an individual, where he learn how to interact with people, how to socialize with people, and those things which actually help us in terms of longer period. Because you cannot win a war, or you cannot win a corporate battle, or you cannot lead your business if you are an individual worker. You have to talk to people. You cannot just pressurize them to work for you. You have to learn how to interact with, because as people say that man is a social animal, and these socializing skills are learned at the college level itself, and the BIMTECH residential complex actually helps candidates to inculcate those socializing skills, living together, fighting together, living through odds which they face in these 2 years. So that was one thing which actually helped me. So if I talk about that, how because lot of people come out of colleges, there are lakhs of candidates who join corporate jobs every year, but most of them are nervous on the first day of their job, and they actually feel that it is the college, or it is how the environment will be, what will be my career. I want to assure you that the first year is though very important in a corporate job, but life is a long battle. If you start working at an age of 24, 25, you still have to work 40 years. And nobody can actually be successful quarter on quarter for 40 years. There will be ups and downs in your career, but you eventually realize it. But that does not mean you take it easy. This is a long battle which has to be fought every day. So the first year, or I must say the first 100 days, actually is very important. It is like it is said that well begin is half done. So I will say that in any business or any corporate job or any corporate experience you are gaining, the first year is the golden year. So when I say golden year, because it decides how people perceive you. It will make you feel that, okay, this is my image and this is how I am, because we think that if I do good or very good in first year of my job, I'm so confident that I can do anything. If I'm not focused for the first year, I feel that, okay, this job is not for me, and then I still go and searching that what is the thing which is for me, which shakes your confidence. So the first 100 days, the focus is the key. Do not take this lightly. Okay, now my college is over, I have to now start a job, and I have seen my friends also and other freshers who joined, they took first 100 days very easy, and it is the time where you create an impression. That impression is not in your present company, but that impression actually helps you to get references, because if you are working with a leader, he will also go somewhere else and he will carry an impression for you. So first 100 days, be focused, be trust, be loyal, learn skills by your best you can do, but do not take a pressure. Do not get frustrated, because it is not the end of the life. You have to work for 40 years. First 6 months you may not be doing so good, but I will still say that you have to be focused. You have to give 100% of what you're doing. The college life is very different, where we are advised, we are taught, but in a corporate world the competition is so high that if you're not doing your job properly, the company has an expectation from you, and if you're not performing, the company will lose the market share or lose the opportunity. So they will try everything to get that opportunity encashed. It is through you or through somebody else. So it is very important that you should make them feel, okay, whatever job is assigned to me, I will at least give 100%. And I want to assure you, the true leaders whom you will work in your first years of job are people who value effort more than the result. Because as a fresher, the expectation of getting a result is very low, but getting the effort done from the fresher and training him for the future role in the company is the important key task becomes. So please put your 100% when you are joining a new job. Please put 100% in terms of leadership, training, learn about the industry, learn about the company, and also talk that what is happening in other companies at that point, because your learning and your skills will be the key which will differentiate you from your peers and other people in the company. One thing which is most important in any corporate career is the trust you build on. And the people should feel that if a work is assigned, they don't have to follow. If you try to hide what is being done, be honest. Talk. If you're not able to do the work, please tell that, okay, I missed it. But if you're trying to hide, it will not hide, but you will lose the trust of the management. And people also know that you cannot be successful, or you cannot be 100% of your achievement every time, every quarter or every month. But if you have a sense of responsibility which you are able to demonstrate, people will trust you. People will trust what you are saying. So values which you are learning in a college, whether the value of integrity, where the value of honesty, where the value of trust or relationship building skills which you are learning while you are living the hostel of a residential complex, are actually very, very important. It is the analytical skills which we learn in an MBA class are so important that it becomes a real differentiator when you go into a corporate world, because people do not sharpen their analytical skills. If you're not able to sharpen your analytical skills, if you are not able to see the data and you cannot analyze what is happening on ground or what is happening in the competition, you will not be able to react. And if you're not able to react in a quick time, your company will lose the market, or your business will actually be put down to a task. So whether you're looking for entrepreneurship or whether you're looking for a good corporate role, the basic skills which are there at MBA college and the basic skills which you learn in the first year of your job are very, very important. Please be focused to it. Please be trustworthy. Please make sure that you are doing your best and not baffled by just results, because results are something which are dependent on various other factors. But doing your best and doing that best with the integrity is the most important thing which you have to learn while you are working as a fresher in the company. The college in which we studied is actually a college where you just do not learn the skills or sharpen your basic knowledge base, like subject skills, I must say. But the way Mr. Chaturvedi sir, the director of BIMTECH, have actually developed the ecosystem of values and trust in BIMTECH is really at a different level. Me and my friends who are working in corporate world really want to thank our director, Mr. Chaturvedi, who have actually helped us, who has been a fatherly figure I think he is there in the system as a BIMTECH director from last 20 years or even more than that. And he recognized everybody from the face, and that actually connects the alumni like me to the college. And the way we received his mentorship during when we were studying in here is at a different level. He was not just as a director, but since we were living in a residential complex away from our families, he was actually a fatherly figure for us. And he helped us in odds, even he was consoling us when we were not selected in the campus interviews. And it is because of him, this college and the entire alumni network feels that this is the place where we still belong to. I also want to thank you, Mr. Gagan, and I want to share a personal experience that how he helped me to get a summer internship. At that point of time, getting a paid summer internship was a great thing. So, and actually that internship actually helped me to get the role in sales when I was starting off my career. So the way the faculties are personally involved with the students in BIMTECH is really great. And this actually, and I'm sure like many others who also feel, I also feel that the way faculties are attached even after 16 years of leaving the college is really awesome. And I want to thank you for all my success which I have received in a career to them. Thank you.